The biggest Claude Code update ever just dropped. That's right, Opus 4.5 is here from Anthropic. Let's get right to the sauce. This model is absolutely cracked, okay? It's at the top of the Sweet bench, beating all previous models. I mean, Gemini 3 Pro, the hot girl on the block for models last week, if you will. This crushes it. You can even see Sonnet 4.5 crushes it. Crushes the previous Sonnet 4.1. All OpenAI models. So this model is just performing super well, getting highly praised. But the biggest changes to Claude Code are that there's no more Opus specific limits in Claude Code. So before, when you kind of had to manage your Opus for larger or medium tasks, then switch to Sonnet for smaller ones, you don't have to do that anymore. If you open Claude Code here in the VS Code extension, Opus 4.5 is the default now. They recommend it for most tasks. And down here also in the terminal experience, default Claude Opus. I just ran Claude update here or updated my extension here. Boom, you get it. But wait, there's more. Opus 4.5 matches Sonnet 4.5's best score in the Sweet bench, but uses 76% less output tokens. So you'll have more time before you hit your token limit usage. This is crazy for Max users. Also, the pricing for Opus 4.5 is way cheaper. CJ on Twitter pointed out that previously for Opus 4.1, you're paying $15 per million tokens on the input. Now it's just 5, so you're only a third. Same thing with the output tokens. You paid $75 for a million token output. Now it's only 25. So crazy upgrade. This is a better model. We're just absolutely eating. Reception on Twitter has been good. On Reddit, I found this was interesting. This guy gave them a 40-item prompt to do, Opus 4.5, something that Sonnet would give up halfway through, or just kind of like say, like, hey, I've taken too long. Let me just skip some steps to get it done sloppily. But Opus 4.5 was following it all the way through. Took a long time, but I mean, if it's 40 minutes and the Opus model, it's going to do that for complex work. But the fact it was still following it, crazy. And also Reddit and Twitter, that's kind of where you get the best like pulse check. You got to be aware of who's getting bought out by these companies to give it good praise. But on Reddit, the Claude AI thread, people are going nuts on it. On Twitter, people are saying it's Gemini 3 Pro killer, which from my experience of coding with it for the half day it's been out, also aligns. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? Has this model been cooking for you? What are you going to build with it? Or are you sticking with Gemini 3 Pro? Subscribe for more updates on the frontiers of AI. Thanks.